Are you tired of struggling to keep track of everything during meetings? Imagine capturing every detail effortlessly. In today's video, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to write comprehensive meeting notes so you never miss a detail again. Let's get started. The key to using ChatGPT effectively for meeting notes begins with organization. Let's get started with our meeting notes. The first step is to create a new session in ChatGPT, which will be dedicated entirely to today's discussion. I'll start by setting a clear title for our session. It's important to be specific, so you can easily retrieve these notes later. So here's what I typed right here in the ChatGPT prompt box right here. Meeting notes, development team, sprint review. Then let's say we're going to set it to today's date, May 10, 2024, and let's hit send. Notice how ChatGPT provided a template including this specific team, which is shown in this outline that ChatGPT had generated, and also the date and time itself. This could help in sorting and finding these notes in the future. Let's see, just wait out for ChatGPT, and here we go. Next, I'll have ChatGPT quickly jot down our agenda. Having a structured agenda laid out here, right here, helps in navigating through the meeting points efficiently. For instance, here's what I typed out my agenda right here, putting in my prompt box here. 1, sprint achievements, 2, issues and roadblocks, and 3, plans for next sprint. So let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would do with these agenda going in for the outline that ChatGPT had generated earlier. So let's see. So as you'll see here, as I sent in the main points to ChatGPT, it was able to outline the agenda like this. 1, sprint achievements, 2, issues and roadblocks, 3, plans for next sprint. So we can segment our notes better. Each main point will be a header under which we'll compile relevant details during the meeting. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now that we have our rough notes from the meeting per se, let's see how ChatGPT can help us polish them. I'll ask ChatGPT to summarize and organize our notes into a professional format, which could be inserted right here in this template, which is updated earlier by ChatGPT. So let's get started. For instance, here's how I listed down all the notes from the meeting. Then I put together a neat prompt that I'll be typing right here in the ChatGPT interface box, like, please summarize and format these notes into clear meeting notes. There we go. There we go. And let's hit send. See how the magic happens. The process may take a while, so might as well just wait for ChatGPT to generate. There, as you can see right here. So look at this output. Each agenda item is neatly summarized with key decisions and action items highlighted. It's ready for distribution or for archiving in your project management tools. There we go. Here are the rest, the ChatGPT. There we go. Sometimes you might realize that certain details aren't clear or were missed during the meeting. Here's how ChatGPT can help enhance those notes. So let me put in my prompt that I put together right here. So let's just say, what are some follow-up questions to ask about the automated regression testing discussed in today's meeting? So let's hit send and let's see how ChatGPT would respond and help out with generating follow-up questions that ChatGPT would suggest. Here we go. So, by asking for follow-up questions, like I just did here, ChatGPT can suggest queries that help clarify uncertainties or deeper details that may have been overlooked. These questions are great for follow-up emails or the next meeting, ensuring nothing important falls through the cracks. And there you have it. And that's how you use ChatGPT to take perfect meeting notes.